How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly resize or squeeze body types using Luminar Neo. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. So you can find the link for that in the description down below. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in Skylum. So this is also achievable with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So with all that said, back to the video. So for this example, I'm just going to use the stock photo provided by Luminar Neo. So we'll be using this guy right here. So what you guys would want to do is click on the asset or import, upload, whatever you want to call it, the picture of the person that you want to edit. So once you have the asset successfully uploaded, you want to click on the edit tab right here, and you want to navigate. You want to keep scrolling down until you see the option that says face and body AI. So when you click on these options, there should be a bunch of sliders that will help you readjust the physique or body type of the person. So let's actually do this. Slim face. This one's already at 0. So you can see how it looks. You can actually zoom in, get like a better view. So if this is the focus, so a quick intermission here. As I've said at the start of this video, we'll be giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in Skylum. So you can do that with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. And with all that said, back to the video. Do this, make a slimmer face, and just retouch the background to make sure that it looks natural. Now for the body type, it's pretty much the same deal. Just click on body AI and adjust the sliders right here. So you can have some fun with this, see which one looks best. Obviously you can do some fine tuning to make it look realistic, make the stomach look smaller, but yeah, that's basically it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. And lastly, once again, before we end the video here, if you guys are still interested in getting Skylum or Luminar Neo, we will be providing a 50% discount code down in the description below for your very first 1-year subscription. And also, there will be a 10 euro discount for the many components offered by Skylum and Luminar Neo. So you can do this with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So if you guys are still interested, be sure to use the links and the discount code down in the description down below.